The global economy is slowing more than expected. On Friday, top finance officials from the G20 group called for countries to overcome trade differences and opt for multilateral cooperation. The Japanese finance minister says growth prospects could continue to decline.
The expansion of the global growth continues, but at a slower pace than anticipated in October. Also, the balance of risk remains skewed to the downside. We recognize the risk that growth prospects might deteriorate.
It could spread, especially if tensions between China and the US escalate, according to the World Economic Report. The director of the European Department at the IMF says it's a shock that the world's economy has weakened.
Growth has clearly lost momentum compared to 6 months ago, compared to when we last met during the annual meetings. Some loss of momentum was, of course, to be expected, considering that growth had been above potential in most countries for a while, considering that the recovery was getting quite mature. Nonetheless, we have been surprised about the speed of the slowdown.
Global officials met in Washington last week with the IMF and the World Bank. According to the IMF, the global economy will likely grow 3.3% this year, which is the lowest expansion since 2016.